In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Purple Trading in Tradingview. First, make sure you're logged into your Tradingview account. You can use either the free or paid version, as long as you have access to the charts. Once you're on the main Tradingview homepage, go ahead and open up a chart. You can do this by clicking on the chart option in the main menu. This will bring you to the standard Tradingview charting interface, where you see your candles, tools and timeframes. With the chart open, look toward the bottom of your screen for the trading panel. If you don't see it right away, it's usually in a tab below the chart area, alongside things like the watch list, data window, or strategy tester. Click on the trading panel tab, and the lower part of your screen will switch to show a list of available brokers and trading integrations that can be connected to TradingView. By default, TradingView may only show a few brokers. To make sure you see the full list, find and click on the option that says Show All Brokers. This is important because Purple Trading might not appear in the shortened list. Once you select that, TradingView will expand the panel and display all supported broker connections. Now, in this expanded list, scroll through until you find Purple Trading. The brokers are usually displayed as tiles or cards with their logos and names, so take a moment to look carefully. If the list is long, you can slowly scroll down to make sure you don't miss it. Some interfaces also allow you to search by name, so if you see a search bar, you can type in Purple Trading to locate it faster. Once you see Purple Trading in the list, click on it. This will open the connection window specifically for Purple Trading. Here, TradingView will prompt you to connect your existing Purple Trading account. Follow the on-screen instructions, which typically include logging in with your broker credentials and confirming the connection. Make sure you're using your live or demo account details as appropriate for your trading. After you've successfully logged in and confirmed, TradingView will link your chart to Purple Trading. You should now be able to place orders directly from the TradingView chart using your Purple Trading account, manage positions, and monitor your trades in real time, all from within the trading panel.